Debt collectors are suing more people than ever. I'm going to explain your rights. Hi, everyone. It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com and summonsmaster.com. If you've ever been getting scary calls or letters from debt collectors, or just worried about being sued because you're getting some letters from other attorneys because they see that your lawsuit has been filed, this video is for you. Why? Because debt collection lawsuits have surged across the country, and there are rules and court decisions that might affect your rights. Today, I'll break down what's happening, your protections, and what you could do if you're targeted. So let's dive in. Recent reports show debt collection lawsuits have hit pre-pandemic levels. Many states are reporting that lawsuits from these debt collectors are from small amounts, usually under $2,000, but I've seen them even for more. But this is what's being reported. They often buy these in bulk packages from credit card companies or medical providers, payday lenders, auto repo debt, and these debt collectors will the portfolios will either sell them, or they're gonna get attorneys in the debtors area, and they're gonna batch them up, and then they're gonna sue as many people in that area as possible. Some of this surge is being enabled by automation, AI tools, and bulk claims. The FTC is targeting operations who impersonate banks or government agencies to scare consumers into paying. Phantom debt schemes. People are being asked to pay obligations they never even owed, with threats of lawsuits and wage garnishment. In one recent case, a debt collector was forced to pay nearly $9.7 million and was permanently banned from the industry. There was a proposed rule by the CFPB to exclude medical debt from credit reporting. There was a proposed rule by the CFPB to exclude medical debt from credit reporting, protecting many consumers. But a federal court reversed that rule, meaning medical debt may once again be used in credit scores by lenders. For people with high medical expenses, this shift could be very damaging. Under the Fair Debt Collectors Practice Act, collectors can't use threats, false statements, or impersonate government or lenders. You can demand validation of debt, proof that they own the debt and that they have all of the documentation. If you get sued, you need to file an answer to avoid a default judgment and to also keep your rights. If you don't respond, you're giving up all of your rights. Request proof. Go to court. And you can also reach out for help. If they violate your rights, you might be able to sue them under the rules by the FTC and CFPB. In short, more debt collection lawsuits are happening now more than ever in recent years. Deceptive practices are increasing, but you do have rights and the steps you take if you're targeted. If this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe button, share it, post your questions and comments. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, listen to me closely. I'm going to give you 2 options. You can get my free 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, debt validation, and cease and desist collection activities letter. Use the one that's appropriate for your specific situation. I do ask for a donation on those because those letters can literally save you time, money, and frustration. Or you can go to summonsmaster.com and you can upload your debt collection letter and you can get an exclusive certified debt validation letter created to stop those debt collectors or make them prove that you have to pay that debt. If you're being sued by debt collectors, go to summonsmaster.com where you can upload your PDF file of your lawsuit and it'll create a fully formatted response to every allegation, and a defense to help you win your case. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.